Hey guys, what's up? Ryan Fox coming at you with another video. So in one of my previous videos, I actually showed you how I went to a sound studio to get the music for my magic show professionally done. Well, I recently went back to that sound studio, but I didn't go to have the rest of my magic show finished. I actually went because my church was actually going to have a couple of songs recorded and put onto a CD. Now, I actually went there early. I went there at 10 a.m. to get all the drum stuff ready for the rest of the band. And, we got it done. We actually got two songs done. We actually got a song called In Your Presence, and the other one was called, what was it? This is Amazing Grace. And we got those done. We kind of had a little bit of a hard time with it because the computer was not really wanting to work with us, and then we found out it needed a hard reboot. And we got the computer to work again, and everything was working perfectly. So we actually got two songs done, and then that was from 10 a.m. until about 3 p.m. Then around 3 p.m. we had our band show up, and with the drums all done, we had our lead singer, who, she plays acoustic guitar, so she played the acoustic guitar to the drums, and then she sang, and then we had our electric guitarist play along, then we had one of our other singers who also plays keyboard, we had her do some organ stuff, and then we actually had our backup singers sing along to the song as well. By the time we were all done, it was almost 10 o'clock at night, and being as I've been there from 10 in the morning till about 10 o'clock at night, I was starving. So we actually went out to dinner afterwards, and we went to this place that you can actually, it's almost kind of like fast food, but not really. It's where you can actually get your own personal size pizza, and you can have any toppings that you want, and they literally cook it for you, and you eat it there. So, I had like a meat lovers and a couple of vegetables on top of that, so it was actually really nice, and I was so hungry, not a crumb was left. I literally licked my plate clean. I was that hungry. And then by the time I got home, it was probably about maybe 10:30, 11 at night, so I was tired. But the result of what we only got one song done. That was This Is Amazing Grace, so we still need to do In Your Presence, but the result of that song is fantastic. Now we already still had the drums prepared for In Your Presence, so it's going to be a lot easier. Well, at least for me, because I don't have to do anything. I just need to show up and just make sure that the tempo and all the breaks and parts of the bridge is all fitting together, which I'm pretty confident everything will work out fine. Well, anyway, I did take videos of the evening, so here's the video. Please enjoy. Okay, and we have the members of our band. This right here is Ron. He is our electric guitarist. Over in the corner, we have our lead singer and one of our keyboardists, as well as other singers. The guy freaking out over here is Hunter. He is actually one of our singers, his wife, and my faithful sidekick and guide dog, Sinbad, looking up at me lovingly. Now, Shani, like I said, she's one of our keyboardists. I know it sounds like she may be singing out of key, but this is actually how we harmonize. Every singer has to sing their own set of notes, and when you layer that, it comes together as, all of us harmonizing. And then, of course, we have Hunter. He, like I said, he's one of our other singers, and he's singing his bit. The King of Glory, the King above all kings. And then this is us just fine-tuning everything on the computer. And the final result. The King of Glory, the King above all kings. This is amazing. This is the last time we're listening to this. It's all done. Hallelujah.
Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy, worthy, worthy. Oh, this is amazing grace. This is unfailing love. That you would take my place. That you would bear my cross. You would lay down your life. That I would be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me.
Well, guys, that's it. I mean, seriously, sounds so amazing. And yeah, I mean, that's it. I mean, we still have one more song to go, but that's just gonna sound just as good. Just as good. But yeah, that's it.